everyone, it is Aldi's grocery haul day. Let me turn around and show you picked up from Aldi's and a little bit from Walmart. Starting with Aldi's, we have 1/2 gallon of lactose-free milk, 1 full gallon of 2% milk, calcium vitamin D orange juice for those of us who do not like the true orange juice for breakfast, and we still had a little bit of the high pulp for those of us who do. We also picked up the beer batter cod fillets from Aldi's for doing filet of fish sandwiches, and I'll show you the other part of that in a minute. Matt, the other day we were having hot dogs and we had sauerkraut with it as part of our meal plan, but I had forgot that he really likes to do the spicy mustards with it, so I picked him up a Dijon mustard and a spicy brown mustard to stock up our fridge. 2 packets of the dried mangoes, 1 box of the cranberry orange breakfast biscuits. They do not carry this flavor year round, so it was nice to find this flavor to have for the kids' snack time. So you know we buy these snack packs all the time. This is a new one. This is not the sweet one, not the one they already had, but this is the protein snack selects. This one has natural sharp cheddar cheese and honey brown sugar turkey sausage bites, and I thought this would be a really nice change for his breakfast for this week. I'll also emphasize again, if you're new, that Matt only has about 10 minutes for breakfast in the mornings. He eats breakfast at work because he goes in super early, so he only has about 10 minutes. So these size snack packs are like the perfect size snack for him for work, and he does one of these every other day, so for three breakfasts for the week. I also picked up the Hawaiian sweet rolls. These are what we use to make the filet of fish sandwiches. We had sliced cheese left over because we buy it in bulk now from Sam's, and we had more left over than what we needed to use. So this week we're going to do grilled cheese for an easy dinner, and we decided to go ahead and use the cheese for that for the filet of fish because Matt likes cheese with his filet of fish. And again, we're going to do grilled cheese, and then whatever's left we'll use for toast for breakfast. We're also doing blueberry bagels. We're going to make pizza bagels tonight. We tried it over the week. I don't remember. We did it for like a lunch one day, and the kids really liked it, so we decided to change up. And since the air fryer doesn't heat our kitchen up super much in the summer, we decided to just do pizza bagels for our pizza fry this week. And then last but not least, from Aldi's, I already have 3 of these, but I wanted to get one for our adopted daughter, so she picked out this one. This one is the freeze pop tray, the sharks. We also have the sloth, the unicorn, and another one I can't remember. But they have like 3 or 4 varieties of these, but this year they had the sharks, so we bought one for her. That is it for Aldi's. Super short from Walmart today. They didn't have any zero sugar 2 liters. Everybody's getting ready for 4th of July, so they didn't have any zero sugar 2 liters in stock. Matt usually prefers 2 liters instead of cans because he doesn't like you going through so many cans. Anyway, so we didn't end up with cans this time, but that's okay. It's only hopefully a short-term thing. If not, we'll just go with it as we go. But it also allowed me the opportunity to try the Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar Cherry for him and the Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar Cream Soda ones. These are flavors that do not come in the 2 liters. And last but not least, from the grocery haul for the rest of the day, coffee creamer for myself and Matt. So the blueberry cobbler one's for me. I like it for breakfast coffees. And then the Italian sweet cream is also for Matt and myself, but he really likes that one. That's it for today's video. Thank you to all of our members for supporting this content and helping us continue to keep our channel running. Thank you to all of you for supporting me with your positive comments, liking, and subscribing. And we will see you next time. Oh, that hair today.